Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 9 minus 9 multiply 9 minus 9. So this looks simple, but only one person can solve this math problem correct. Why? Because 9 minus 9, they write 0, 9 minus 9 as 0 and 0 multiply as 0, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When in expression, you have given multiple operation like division, subtraction, multiplication, then you have to follow BODMAS rule. As per BODMAS rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then order or of, then division and multiplication both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. But we have to always solve from left to right. So let's solve this expression with the help of BODMAS rule. So 9 minus, first we do the multiplication. So 9 times 9 is 81 minus 9. 9 minus 81 is 72. But with negative sign, negative 9 gives negative 81. So what is the correct answer? Negative 81, not 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.